On the night of May 19, the Central Crime Branch of Bengaluru Police conducted a raid at a farmhouse in Electronic City following a tip-off. Commissioner B. Dayanand briefed the media about the operation, which uncovered a large gathering involving approximately 100 people. During the raid, a significant quantity of drugs including cocaine and MDMA crystals was seized. Commissioner Dayanand confirmed the 5 individuals have been arrested in connection with the event. The police have registered a case based on the confiscated narcotics. Blood samples from the attendees were collected and the results are awaited. He noted that most attendees were from outside the local area and there were no elected representatives present. Among those in attendance was an actress whose presence was noted but further details were not disclosed. The case falls under the jurisdiction of Bengaluru Rural and the investigation is ongoing.
On the night of 19th May, Bangalore City Crime Branch officers and staff, on specific information, have raided a farmhouse on the outskirts of Bangalore City, somewhere in Electronic City area, and they have uh, found nearly about 100 persons uh, indulging in a party, and on detailed search, several drugs and narcotic substances have been seized from the place. Based on this, a case is registered in Electronic City Police Station and 5 persons have been arrested. Drugs like cocaine, MDMA crystals, and hydroganja, these kind of things have been seized from the spot. Subsequently, based on the jurisdiction, it is found that the place where the event was held, the farmhouse, that belongs to Ebgodi Police Station, limits of Bangalore Rural District. Accordingly, the case has been transferred to Ebgodi Police Station. We have already collected the blood samples and we are awaiting the result of the blood sample result. Many were from the outside and some were locals also who were involved in the party. There were no elected representatives. One actress is said to be there.